बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल नॉलेज जोन। आप तमाम व्यूवर्स को अपने चैनल में खुशामदीद कहते हैं। जिन व्यूवर्स ने हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें और साथ में लगे बेल आइकन्स को दबाएं ताकि आने वाली न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। डियर व्यूवर्स, आज की जो वीडियो है इसमें आपके साथ चैप्टर नंबर 3 गैसेस से इम्पोर्टेंट केमिस्ट्री MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि एसएस केमिस्ट्री, लेक्चरशिप केमिस्ट्री और MDCAT टेस्ट के लिए इंतहाई इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द रिलेटिव रेट ऑफ एफ्यूजन of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide? The right answer for question number 1 is option A. Carbon monoxide is 1.25 times faster than carbon dioxide. Question number 1 right answer is option A. Question number 2. Which of these gases diffuse more quickly than oxygen? The right answer for question number 2 is option B, NO. Question number 2 right answer is option B, NO. Question number 3. Which of the following is not considered as an intermolecular force between molecules? The right answer for question number 3 is option A, coordinate covalent bonds. Question number 3 right answer is option A. Question number 4. The weakest in strength of the following intermolecular forces is? Right answer for question number 4 is option B, hydrogen bonds. Question number 4 right answer is option B, van der Waals forces. सॉरी, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नहीं है यहाँ पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का जो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, van der Waals forces. Question number 4 right answer is option B, van der Waals forces. Question number 5. Ideal gases have all the following characteristics. Question number 5 right answer is C, and question number 6 right answer is D. Next, question number 7. Which statement is correct? The right answer for question number 7 is option D, all of the above. Question number 7 right answer is option D. Question number 8. Under what condition the gases deviate from ideal behavior? Right answer for question number 8 is option D, B and C. B option is low temperature and C option is high pressure. So right option for question number 8 is option D, B and C. Question number 9. Which one has the lowest density at room temperature? Right answer for question number 9 is option C, NH3 ammonia. Question number 10. The introduction of Kelvin scale in thermometry is according to? The right answer for question number 10 is option B, Charles law. Question number 10 right answer is option B, Charles law. Question number 11. 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas and 0.5 mole of carbon monoxide gas at STP have same. The right answer for question number 11 is option D, जिन व्यूवर्स ने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें और साथ में लगे बेल आइकन्स को दबाएं ताकि आने वाली न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 था 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas and 0.5 mole of carbon monoxide gas at STP have same. The right answer for question number 11 is option D, both B and C. Question number 12. At constant temperature, the pressure of an ideal gas is double its density becomes. The right answer for question number 12 is option B, double. At constant temperature, the right answer for question number 12 is option B, double. Question number 13. The diffusion of gases at absolute zero will be. Question number 13. Right answer is option D, 0. Question number 13. The right answer is option D, 0. The diffusion of gases at absolute zero will be 0. Question number 13. Right answer is option D. Question number 14. Which of the following option is incorrect about gases? Right answer for question number 14 is option A. All molecules move with same speed. Question number 14. Right answer is option A. Question number 15. Critical temperature for different gases is different at and depends upon. The right answer for question number 15 is option D, all of the above. Option A, size of molecule. Option B, shape of molecule. Option C, intermolecular attraction. So right option for question number 15 is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. In how many forms do matter exist? Right answer for question number 16 is option B, 4. Question number 16, right answer is option B, 4. Question number 17. What is the simplest form of matter? The right answer for question number 17 is option A, gas. Question number 17, right answer is option A. Question number 18. What is the abundant form of matter on Earth? The right answer for question number 18 is option C, solid. Question number 18, right answer is C. Question number 19. Which state of matter has the lowest density? The right answer for question number 19 is option A. Next question number 20. What do we call to sudden expansion of plasma? The right answer for question number 20 is option C, Joule-Thomson effect. Question number 20, right answer is option C. Question number 21. The solid particle only possess. The right answer for question number 21 is option A, translational motion. Question number 21, right answer is option B, vibrational motion. Question number 21, right answer is option B, vibrational motion. Question number 22. For a gas where volume and pressure are 1 cubic decimeter and 2 atmosphere respectively, should be its new volume when pressure is increased to 6 atm at constant temperature. Right answer for question number 22 is option B, 1 by 3 cubic decimeter. Question number 23. If 1 by V is plotted on x-axis and pressure on y-axis at constant temperature, what should appear? The right answer for question number 23 is option C, straight line. Question number 23, right answer is C. Question number 25. Question number 24, right option is C. Question number 25, right option is A. Question number 26. 1 mole of an ideal gas at 546.3 546.3 Kelvin। जिन व्यूवर्स ने अभी तक ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें और साथ में लगे बेल आइकन्स को दबाएं ताकि आने वाली न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। दोस्तों, ये जो MCQs हैं ये SS केमिस्ट्री लेक्चरशिप केमिस्ट्री टेस्ट के लिए इंतहाई इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. 1 mole of an ideal gas at 546.3 Kelvin under 2 atmospheric pressure has a volume of. Right answer for question number 26 is option C, 22.414 cubic decimeter. Question number 27. The partial pressure exerted by the water vapor is called. Right answer for question number 27 is option B, aqueous tension. Question number 27, right answer is option B, aqueous tension. Question number 28. Which one is not the partial pressure of oxygen in the lungs? The right answer for question number 28 is option D, 1 atm. Question number 28, right answer is D. Question number 29. The spreading of fragrance or scent in air is due to. The right answer for question number 29 is option A, diffusion. Question number 30. Equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees centigrade. The fraction of total pressure exerted by oxygen is. Right answer for question number 30 is option A, 1/3. Question number 31. The kinetic molecular theory of gases was put forward in 1738 by. The right answer for question number 31 is option D, Bernoulli. Question number 31, right answer is option D, Bernoulli. Question number 32. The expression for root mean square velocity is. The right answer for question number 32 is option B, CRMS. Question number 32, right answer is option B. Question number 33. The highest temperature at which a substance can exist as a liquid is called its. The right answer for question number 33 is option A, critical temperature. The highest temperature at which a substance can exist as a liquid is called its critical temperature. Right option is A. Question number 34. Hydrogen effuses 4 times more rapidly than volume of an unknown gas. Molar mass of unknown gas should be. Right answer for question number 34 is option B, 32 gram per mole. Question number 34, right answer is option B. Question number 35. What will be the pressure of 1 mole of an ideal gas maintained at 300 Kelvin and 250 cubic centimeter volume? Right answer for question number 35 is option A, 98.5 atm. Question number 36. The process of effusion and diffusion are best understood by. The right answer for question number 36 is option C, Graham law. Question number 36, right answer is option C, Graham law. Question number 37. Who made volume and pressure correction to explain the deviation of gases from ideal behavior? Right answer is option D, van der Waal. Question number 37, right answer is D. Question number 38. The non-ideal behavior results chiefly from. The right answer for question number 38 is option C, intermolecular attraction and finite volume. The non-ideal behavior results chiefly from intermolecular attractions and finite volume. Question number 38, right answer is option C. डियर व्यूवर्स, इस वीडियो में आपके साथ हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 तक जो इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs थी चैप्टर गैसेस से वो डिस्कस की। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन के आंसर में मिस्टेक लग रही हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं। ये जो MCQs हैं ये SS केमिस्ट्री, लेक्चरशिप केमिस्ट्री और MDCAT टेस्ट के लिए इंतहाई इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं जो कि आने वाले SS केमिस्ट्री टेस्ट और MDCAT टेस्ट में आ सकती हैं। वीडियो को लाइक करें और वीडियो को शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।